Hi, my name is Zuojun. I'm from Hangzhou. It's a capital city of Zhejiang province. I'm now the Director General of the Urban Planning Bureau of Hangzhou. So from my position, you can know I'm mainly responsible for urban planning and urban development of the city. In fact, urban planning it goes everywhere, every city, but it's very important for the development of the city. So I think I have a very important position in the process of urbanization and the development of the city.
Yeah. Great. I remember reading reports and also hearing from some of the fellows now that the visit to Hangzhou was one of the most memorable ones.
Yes. Last year, as a part of the collaborative project of the ICI Fellowship, they have several days in Hangzhou, and I think they have had a very impressive idea of what Hangzhou is and what urban plan of Hangzhou is going on. Mm-hmm. And I hope they have a good impression of my city. In fact, Hangzhou is not the biggest city in China, but it's famous. It's one of the most famous scenic sports city in China. Famous for its history, famous for its a very good scenery, and in fact, Hangzhou is once the capital city of China. I think you know that. So we have several parts of the city which still has the historical features. So we also have faced the problem how to develop a city and how to preserve its historical features. So that's our challenges.
And is that what led you to apply for India-China Fellowship?
Sorry?
What made you want to apply to the India-China Fellowship 2 years ago?
It's just the chance. I know there will be a fellowship concerning the development of India and China, and in fact, they have I think they have a topic which will be related to the urbanization of the two countries, and I know India before, but have no chance to explore that country, and I think it's a chance for me to see what the country is, and in the view of urban planning, what's the cities there, in comparison with our cities.
So you've been to India before?
No.
Okay, so you haven't been to India before?
Yes, so 2 years ago I know this program, and I think it's a chance that I can go to India by myself. Yeah, but in the textbook of during my university, I know India very much, but never have a chance to visit that country before.
So you found a fellowship that had to do with urbanization?
Yes, globalization, yeah.
And then it's about India, so you thought it was a good opportunity?
Yes, right.
And looking back about this 2-year journey,
yes,
what are some of the most memorable moments?
As just said, I know India in the textbook before, but even after my visit to that country, I know the reality is different from textbook. I know very good aspect of India from textbook, but after my visits in many places, in many cities in India, I know that in fact India is still in a developing process, and from the point of view of a planner, I know they have some problems in the development of the urban areas. That means the issues of urbanization are still there, and we should learn some lessons from the development of India, or some failures. So I think it's a very good experience of my future career. So it's totally different, from your imagination and the reality.
And the Indian colleagues you've met, and how do you see them to be part of your future?
Yes, we have some similar issues relating to urban development and urbanization. And I think we have now, at least in my city, we have been in the right way to solve that problem. But I do not understand very well of the situation in India. I think they have some big problems, but it seems to me that they have no way no good way to solve those problems. So during our discussion with our India colleagues, and we also has the feeling that as a social system is different, we have a different dynamic or different resources to solve those problems. So I think we are maybe in the right way to solve those problems. But yeah.
So in comparison to what you heard from Indian colleagues, you actually felt like you've made a right decision in your
at least in my professional field. Yeah.
That you found that, okay, we looked at this example from India and we don't actually want it.
Yes, the development of city in China is partly it's government motivated. So we can collect resources to promote urban development, but that not be the case in India, I think.
Mm-hmm. So you're still happy with what you have? You're not looking to India for a better model?
Yes, right. It's interesting. Last year we have a TV show in Shanghai, and it's interesting that we several of the Chinese fellows and the Indian fellows, sitting in a round table and the debate and the discussion of how India and China goes to some specifics, to some aspects of development. And the first question I remember during that show is that how is your impression of the country, of each country? And most of Chinese fellows said it's different from my imagination of this country. And we also feel in the infrastructure service is I said it's about 10 to 15 years behind China. In the service.
Was it expected that was something that you expected from the readings that you had?
In fact, we have learned some experience from our Indian fellows.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Great. Well, now that you've gone through 2 years of fellowships, what kind of things would you say to the new coming fellows, especially the Chinese fellows for cohort 2? What would your advice be?
Yes, 2 years is not too long, right? Yeah, and we have only 3 residents during the 2 years, and after residence, in fact, I must say we have little contact among our fellows, and as a matter of fact, we have no resources to find some facts in the countries of each other. So I would like to say that we must have more time, to discuss among our fellows. Otherwise, you can only have the ideas and the experience of your own country, and you cannot compare the experience and the process of the two countries.
So you're actually saying is that you want more, you think there should be more time?
Yeah, more time and more discussion, I think.
Then so that people can understand each other more.
Yes, right, and they can really make a collaborative project.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Great.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.